In this lesson, we are going to have a look at noun-noun combinations. We put two nouns together to equal one thing. The first noun is like an adjective. It tells us what kind of thing, person, or idea. For example, taxi plus driver equals a taxi driver. Sometimes the nouns are separate, for example, apple tree, and sometimes they form one word, for example, headache. We often use noun-noun combinations to talk about time, distance, and other measurements. Let's look at some examples. It takes 10 minutes to walk to the station. It's a 10-minute walk to the station. Notice with our noun-noun combinations that we don't have an S on the end of 10-minute. It's a 10-minute walk, not a 10 minutes walk. The race was 25 kilometers. It was a 25-kilometer race. This watch costs 10,000 pounds. This is a 10,000-pound watch. The surgery took 2 hours. It was a 2-hour surgery. All right, it's quiz time. Can you say the noun-noun combination? An 8-hour flight. A 3-day sail. A 2-week vacation. A $100,000 car. A 500-page book. Two 10-year-old boys. Give it a go. Try to write a noun-noun combination in the comments.